In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore an old or damaged image in Pixlr, step by step, using simple tools that can help remove scratches, dust, stains, and faded areas. Whether you're fixing a scanned family photo, repairing a ripped picture, or just trying to bring more life back into an old image, Pixlr gives you a practical way to do it right inside your browser. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your desktop browser and go to Pixlr Editor. Once the editor loads, click Open Image and choose the scanned or damaged photo you want to restore. If your image is saved on your computer, simply browse to the file and upload it into Pixlr. Now that your photo is open, the first thing we'll do is clean up the smaller damage. On the left panel, choose the Heal tool, then switch it to the Spot method. This tool is perfect for tiny scratches, dust specks, little stains and minor imperfections that break up the look of the photo. Before you start brushing over the damage, adjust the brush size. A good rule is to make the brush just slightly larger than the scratch or dust mark you want to remove. That gives Pixlr enough room to blend the area naturally without affecting too much of the surrounding image. Now click directly over the creases, stains or rips you want to hide. The Spot Heal tool will try to blend the damaged area with the nearby pixels, making the flaw disappear or become much less visible. Work slowly and zoom in if needed, especially when you're dealing with detailed areas like faces, clothing, or textured backgrounds. If the image has larger damaged sections, the Heal tool may not be enough by itself. In that case, the next step is to rebuild those missing areas more carefully, using the Clone Stamp tool. Select the Clone Stamp tool from the toolbar. This tool lets you copy a clean section of the image and paint it over the damaged area. To use it properly, hold Alt on Windows or Command on Mac, then click a clean, intact part of the photo that matches the area you want to repair. This sets your sample point. After that, release the key and gently paint over the severely damaged spot. Try to follow the natural lines, shadows and textures in the photo so the repair blends in seamlessly. If you sample from the wrong area, the restored section may look obvious, so it helps to keep choosing fresh sample points as you move around the image. Once the major scratches and missing sections are repaired, it's time to improve the overall look of the photo by adjusting the faded colors and contrast. Go to the top menu bar and click Adjustment. From there, choose Brightness and Contrast. This is useful if your old photo looks washed out, too dim, or lacks separation between light and dark areas. Increasing contrast can help bring back depth, while small brightness adjustments can make the image feel more balanced. Next, open Vibrance to restore the original color tones. If your old photo has lost its richness, a Vibrance adjustment can help bring the colors back to life without making them look too artificial. On the other hand, if you want a clean black and white finish, you can turn Vibrance all the way down. That gives the image a timeless monochrome style, which can also look beautiful for old restored photos. Now that the colors and tone are looking better, the final step is to sharpen the image details. Go to Filter in the top menu, then go to Details. Select Sharpen to bring back lost texture and help clear up blurriness. Use it carefully, because too much sharpening can make the image look harsh or noisy. A light touch is usually best, especially when restoring older photos that already have a lot of grain. At this point, take a moment to review your image. Zoom in and check whether the scratches are gone, the damaged sections look natural, and the colors feel more balanced. If needed, go back and fine-tune the Heal tool, Clone Stamp, Brightness, or Sharpening until you get the best result. And that's how you restore an image in Pixlr. With just a few tools, you can clean up damage, rebuild missing parts, correct faded colors, and sharpen the final result so your photo looks much better than before. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Pixlr tips and editing tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.